Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. As we grow older, our hair changes. It can become thinner, dry or grey. Many women over 50 want a haircut that looks stylish but it is easy to manage. The good news is there are many beautiful haircuts that don't need too much time or effort. Let's talk about some easy and lovely haircut ideas. First is a short pixie cut. The haircut is very popular because it is simple and fresh. It is short on the sides and slightly longer on top. You don't need much styling. Wash, dry or you are ready to go. A pixie cut also makes your face look brighter and younger. If you have grey hair, this cut also looks even more beautiful and natural. Second is the classic bob cut. The bob cut is always in fashion. It is usually cut around the chin or slightly blue. This haircut is easy to comb and style. You can keep it straight, slightly wavy or natural. It gives a neat and elegant look. For women with thin hair, a bob can make the hair look thicker. Third idea is the layered short haircut. Layers add movement and volume to hair. If your hair feels flat, layers can make it look fuller. This haircut does not need much styling. You can just blow dry lightly or let it air dry. It looks soft and natural. Another great option is a shoulder length cut with soft layers. If you don't want very short hair, this is perfect. Shoulder length hair is easy to tie, clip or leave open. Soft layers make it look modern and light. This haircut works well for slight, straight, wavy or slightly curly hair. Next is the short curly cut. If you have natural curls, don't hide them. A short curly haircut is easy to manage and looks beautiful. You just need a little curl cream after washing. Let your hair dry naturally. It gives a fresh and confident look. Now let's talk about bangs. Side bands can make your face look softer. They can also hide forehead line if you want. Bangs add a stylish touch without much extra work. Just keep them trimmed regularly. When choosing a low maintenance haircut, remember these simple tips. First, choose a cut that matches your face shape. Second, think about your hair type, straight, wavy or curly. Third, pick a style that first fit your daily routine. If you don't like spending much time on hair, go shorter. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.